Alright, this is John with I Find Leaks. We're here on Excalibur Drive in the kitchen. You can look underneath the cabinet and see there's been a hole cut, and this is the back of the bathtub. So if you look back here, every once in a while you can see a small drip coming from up above. You've got a stack here, a waste stack. The kitchen arm, drain arm, or kitchen waste arm is actually tied into this stack and runs all the way around behind the cabinets to the sink. So notice right now you don't see any water coming from anywhere in this hole. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the kitchen sink. Alright, so the kitchen sink is on. Water appears to be draining pretty good through the sink. We're going to come under here and take a look. As you can see, I've got water just pouring out of the drain arm. You can see that water coming out. I'm going to try to get in here and get a better angle for you. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's coming right out of the drain arm. You see a steady stream of water, and that water is coming out of the drain arm that's attached to this stack. There's actually a hole in the bottom of the drain arm. Okay, so I'm going to turn the sink water off. It's going to take a little bit of time, but you'll notice that the water is already starting to slow down a little bit. You can still see it, hear it coming out. Tub drain looks okay. While we're here, we're going to go ahead and test and see if there's a problem with the tub as well. So we're going to walk around to the bathroom. We're going to turn the water on in the bathtub. You can tell when this water's on, you got water coming in behind this diverter. You've also got a leak on this hot water valve. You can see it on my finger. Pouring out every once in a while right there. They want to have that valve rebuilt. And that water going on that diverter like that, especially if they're taking baths in here, is not good. We're going to go check the back and see if there's a leak. Notice the kitchen sink drain still draining a little bit. If you look in there, you can see a small leak coming from that diverter valve as well. I don't know if you can see on my flashlight, it's pretty small, but right there, you got water leaking there also. So there's actually two problems here. One is the diverter, water leaking from the diverter under the bathtub. It's a small leak, but still a leak. The kitchen sink waste line, drain arm, is also leaking. It's starting to slow down now. And then on the hot side, you've got a valve that's leaking in the bathroom. So now that I know there's a leak there, we're going to go and we're going to turn off the water to the bathtub. Again, that water is going right back behind that diverter valve, leaking out under the tub. 2 leaks. The biggest leak obviously coming from the drain arm, which is almost slowed to a drip. Just so you can see it one more time, you notice back here you don't see a whole lot of water coming down next to this stud and that copper pipe. You see a drip every once in a while. So let's turn this kitchen sink on. Kitchen sink's on, draining. Come in here, and there it comes. You can see it just pouring out from up above. There's a pipe up here. There's going to be a hole in that pipe, and it's just pouring out water. So there you have it. Again, it's John with I Find Leaks. Feel free to give us a call if you have any more questions. Thank you.